again 1 and 2 marks question now. Okay, so because these are the most important thing, everything is based on these 3-4 questions only. So we are going to see these questions here so that we can solve the 3 marks and 4 marks question also easily. So look here, the first question: for a simultaneous equation in x and y, if d is equals to -4, dx is equals to 24, dy is equals to 12, then we have to find the value of x here. So it's very easy now, student. So all of you know that simultaneous equations is given in x and y. That means it is a linear equation. Yes. So this is a linear equation. Then what are the given things? We are given d, dx and dy. So the first and the most important thing, whatever given things are to us, whether we are getting marks or not for it, we are simply going to write the values here. So I'm writing that values. Since we are given d is equals to -4, dx is equals to 24, and dy is equals to -12. So what we have to find? We have to find x. Therefore, x is equals to, what is the formula for x? So we have just seen this already, that in linear equation, the standard form, the methods of solving from the determinant, substitution, elimination, graphical, these are the important methods. And from determinant, there is only two formula for x and for the y. Yes, who has raised the hand? उसने hand raise किया था? Yes, Naveen. Yes, what is the formula, beta, for finding the value of x?
dx upon d.
Very good. X is equals to dx upon d. And what is the formula for y?
Y is equal to dy upon d.
Dy upon d. So student, you can see it is very easy question. All the values are given to us. Simply substitute the value in the formula and find the value. So dx is given to us 24. D is given to us, that is 4. So therefore we get x is equals to 4 6 are 24. So we got x is equals to 7. What is here? For formula, half marks, and for the final answer, the next half mark. If asks for the solving, or if it is an MCQ, we can get the direct answer here. Okay? Clear? Any doubt in this? Just we have to substitute the value in the formula. Now let's see the next one. So again, one question is here. I'm just reading that. Which of the following is the value of k if one of the root of a quadratic equation is given to us? Again, student, we are seeing this type of questions yesterday also. One quadratic equation is given to us, which is in terms of either k, m or n, right? And one of the value will be given to us. So with the help of that, we have to find out the value of that k or m. So instead of k, now I'm taking here that is equals to m. Suppose let's see. The quadratic equation which we are having, it is x square plus kx minus 8 is equals to 0. Instead of this k, sometimes there can be m, sometimes there can be n also. And what is here? One of the root is given to us. One of the root is given to us, that is equals to -4. So we have to find the value of k here. Yes, Lakshmi is raising the hand. Yes, Lakshmi. हाँ लक्ष्मी, कुछ बोलना है? ठीक है. This is what we have to do here, students. Quadratic equation is given to us, and again we know that for a quadratic equation, there is having at most.
मिस फर्स्ट वाले क्वेश्चन में -6 आंसर आएगा ना?
-6 कैसे आएगा? x फाइंड आउट. हाँ, t is equals to -4 था वहाँ पे. मैंने b is equals to by mistakenly 4 ले लिया. Okay, it was -4, so your answer is -6.
Yes, miss.
One value of one of the root is given. That means the value of x is given to you, students. Right here, value of x is given to you. So simply substitute this value of x in this given equation and let's find the value of this. And so here, x is equals to -4. This is the given thing. So therefore, given quadratic equation becomes, you can write in your own language also, students. Either you can give this equation as equation number 1, and then you can substitute the values. So here what I am saying, given given quadratic equation becomes instead of x, I'm substituting there x is equals to minus 4. So this implies x square is equal to minus 4 square plus m as it is instead of x, I'm writing there again minus 4, and this is equals to minus 8. And let's solve this one, which is equals to, yeah, obviously this is equals to 0. So this implies again minus 4 square, that is 16, m into minus 4, minus 4m, then and this is minus 8, which is equals to 0. So this implies minus 4m as it is, 16 minus 8, it is minus 8, which is equals to 0. So m is equals to minus 2. Here 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and this was minus, so it goes to this side. So we got m is equals to minus 2 here. Sorry, let me check that. ठीक है. So m is equals to plus 2. ठीक है, आज समझ में means you can get ideas, student. The same types of questions are repeating here, so you have to just focus on this type of question. Try to solve as much as questions of this type. Yes, who is this? Yes, Harini, you are having any doubt here?
Yes,
raise
ma'am.
your hand. पूछो बेटा.
नहीं, आप ठीक कर दिए. मेरे को आपने -2 लिखा था ना पहले.
ठीक है, ठीक है. Okay, ठीक है. So hope so this is clear to you. These are very frequently asked questions, students. This type of questions definitely can be asked. So let's see another question. Okay, now here one arithmetic progression is given to us. Yes, who is raising the hand? हाँ बोलो गौरव, क्या प्रॉब्लम है क्या आपको कुछ?
यस टीचर, माइक टीचर
बोलो.
आपका वीडियो अटक के चल रहा है.
अटक के चल रहा है तो उसमें बेटा नेटवर्क इश्यू हो सकता है.
ओके टीचर.
यस हर्षिता, डू यू having any problem? आपका भी हैंड रेज है. यस हर्षिता, ठीक है. Okay, so let's see and another question. We are given one arithmetic progression. In that arithmetic progression, we are having P7 is equals to 4, then D is equals to -4, and we have to find the value of A. So again, can anyone say me how to solve this one? कैसे solve करना है, कोई बता सकता है? Anyone? One arithmetic progression is given to us. In that arithmetic progression, T7 means 7 term is given to us. D with the common difference we are having. Then we have to find the A. A means the first term here. So how to find out this one? Yes, who's this? Sunny, can you answer this one? Yes, Indumati. Indumati, your hand is raised. Can you answer this one? हाँ, बोलो बेटा. Yes. I'm not able to hear you properly.
TN formula.
TN formula. Okay, what is that formula for TN?
TN is equal to A plus 1 into D.
A plus 1 into D.
No.
No, beta. Yes, Asiya. How to solve this one?
TN is equal to
A plus n minus 1 into D.
Okay, so very good here. So what is here, students? We have given T7. So most of the students having the question when to use the formula for Tn or when to use the formula for Sn here. So आपको यहाँ पे T7 दिया है. There is no question about the sum. Sum का कुछ यहाँ पे जिक्र नहीं है. So we don't have to consider the Sn here. T7 is given to us. So use the formula for T. So here, first thing, write all the given things, right? Whatever you are given, T7, D to find A. This is done. Then write the formula. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1. Only two formulas are there in arithmetic progression. Tn and next is for the Sn. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Therefore, what we are having? Which term we are having? We are having T7. So simply substitute the T7 here. So therefore T7 is equals to, instead of n, I'm putting here now 7. Value of A which we have to find out. So keep this as it is, plus n. Since we are solving for T7, our n is equals to 7. So 7 minus 1 into D, which is given to us, that is equals to minus 4. So these are the given things. So this implies. Again, T7 is already given to us, which is equals to 4. So T7 is equals to 4. This is equals to A. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 into minus 4, that is minus 24. Right here. 7 minus 1, it is 6. Into minus 4, this is equals to minus 20. So we got T7, this is 4. So this implies what we have to find? We have to find the value of A. So I'm keeping my A as it is. Whatever extra terms are there, simply transfer it to another side. So this is minus 24. When it will goes to this side, it will be plus 24. So what I done, student, actually, I just changed the sign. This I taken A minus 24 is equals to 4. This can be written as 4 plus 24 is equals to A. Or we can write it as A is equals to 4 plus 24. Both are the same. So this is A is equals to 4 plus 24, that is equals to A. So our answer is A is equals to 20. Here, student, this was very easy. Just you have to identify which formula we have to use here. Since T7 was given to us, we have used the formula for Tn. And on the same question, few different types of question can be asked. Means sometimes T7 we have to find, we will be have given A and D. Then the question will be something, find the seventh term. That is we have to find. Again use the formula Tn and here find the answer for T7. Or sometimes T7 will be given to us. T7 means any other term and the first term will be given to us. With the help of that, we have to find the value of D. Or sometimes one of the term will be given to us. D, A will be also given to us and we have to find n term there, right? So we have to find n also there. So these are the few different types of questions which can be asked based on this same method, means same formula we have to use, but the different types of question can be framed. Okay. So one more question is there. I'm simply reading that question. What is the number of sample points when 2 points are tossed simultaneously? Now, maybe you are having a very clear idea that this question I have taken from now. This is the third time I'm taking the same question. Again, this question are from the question papers only. You can get idea that how important is this sample space. And also, while studying probability, we have seen the few basic sample space for coin, for dice. These are the two very important. For coin, 1 coin toss, 2 coin toss, 3 coin toss. For dice, thrown once, thrown twice. Do practice writing this sample space again and again. Most of the questions are based on this only, and others which we have already taken. Please do all the sample practice of writing all the samples. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे क्या है? two coins are tossed simultaneously. So we have to see how many sample points we are getting. So the options I'm writing here. Options are A, so 2 points are tossed. So if we toss 2 coins, how many sample points we are getting? Who's going to answer this one? Yes, Khushi?
Ma'am, 4.
4. So which are that? Can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am. HH, TH, HT, and TT.
HH, HT, TH.
TH and TT.
These are the 4 sample points when 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. तो आपको क्या पूछा है? आपको sample space नहीं पूछा. We are asked the number of sample points. So how many we have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So your answer is B is equals to 4. Yes. So just practice writing the sample points. Okay. So again, we are moving forward. We'll see some more questions now. Same types of question can be asked for 2 marks also, students. Just a little bit difficulty level will change, or if not the difficulty level, the marking scheme will change. Okay. So one more question we are taking. If 2x plus 3y. Carefully look at the question, students. What is here? If 2x plus 3y is equals to 10 and 3x plus 2y is equals to 15. Forget about the follow question. Just concentrate on this one. Again, the same types of questions are repeating. And if you look properly on your textbook, this is from linear equation. And in the linear equation, what happened there? The most of the questions has been deleted from your practice set 1.1, or it is 1.2 something, I think 1.1 only. It has been reduced, and only this type of questions are there. This type means the numbers are same, 2 and 3. The numbers are same, only the variables are exchanged here. Here, for coefficient of x is 2. Here, 2 is the coefficient of y. Here the coefficient of y is 3, but the 3 is the same coefficient for x in the next in the next equation. Means what? Numbers will be changed and variables will be exchanged. This type of question will definitely come. It can be done for 1 mark also, 2, 3, or 4 marks also, because all the rest questions has been reduced from your syllabus. So this is very, very important type of question. So how to solve this type of question? Forget about this. What we have to find? Find the value of x and y. If we have to find the solution only, means if we have to find x and y also. So what is that method? First method, you know very well that just multiply. Suppose multiply this equation by 3, multiply this equation by 2. So the variable or the coefficient of x will be same. Then either add or subtract, solve, then we will get. Or one of the easiest method, what we do, because this is very easy number, means very small number, but in this type of question mostly the bigger numbers are here, like 101, 302, or 399. This type of bigger numbers can be given. So if this happens, what we have to do, most simplest method. Can anyone answer this one? Because we have solved this already, this type of question already. So bata sakta hai? Anyone how to solve this type of question if the numbers are same and only the variables are exchanged? Yes, anyone? Om side bata sakte? You are unmuted. Very good, Om side. अच्छा हो गया. Yes, Ankit. How is this? Ankit भी है. Yes, Khushi.
टीचर पहले आप बोले ना ऐड करने का, फिर मतलब ऐड करेंगे तो 5x + 5y = 25 आएगा, उसके बाद उसको मतलब नीचे सेट कर लेंगे.
Madam, I'm not able to hear you properly.
टीचर इक्वेशन को ऐड कर लेंगे.
Okay. So what we have to do here, we have to firstly, if this type of questions come, there are many methods, but if the bigger numbers are there, what we are going to do? Firstly, give them equation number 1, then this is equation number 2. Obviously, write it properly. I have taken here directly. So suppose it is asked for 2 marks. So let 2x plus 3y is equals to 10. This is your equation number 1. Next, 3x plus 2y is equals to 15. Equation number 2. So what we are going to do? Firstly, add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 plus equation 1 and 2. So therefore we get 2x plus 3y is equals to 10 plus 3x plus 2y is equals to 15. Simply add it, so we get here 5x plus 5y, which is equals to 25. Now, look here, 5 can be divided throughout here. So we divide it by 5. So it is x plus y is equals to 5. This 5 divided by 5, 1. 5 divided by 5, 1. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So we got x plus y is equals to 5, and that only we have to find out. We have to simply find out the value of x plus y. Clear? अभी यहाँ पे सिर्फ आपको x plus y find out करना था. But if you have to find the value of x as well as y, so at that time what we are going to do? Firstly, add. Next, the next step, subtract. So this will be your next equation number 3 here. Then next, subtract the 1 and 2. Again, you will get one more equation, and to that equation, then simply add or subtract to get the values of x and y here. Then whatever value you will get, substitute in any one of the equation from the 4 equation to get the value of y. Understood what I have to say? यहाँ पे आपको we don't have to find the value of x and y. We have to simply find the value of x plus y. So I have added here. You can subtract also. Still you will get the no. Just added here. ठीक है? Yeah. इस क्वेश्चन में किसी को कोई डाउट है? This is very important type of question. Please do this type of questions properly. है किसी को कोई डाउट इस क्वेश्चन में? I hope so no one having any doubt. But since this type of question was came, we are going to solve one 3 marks question based on the same method. Okay. So one of the, suppose I am taking one equation. Question can be asked for either 3 marks or either 4 marks. Yes, Nisha, do you having any problem? Yeah, raise your hand here. Nisha, कोई problem है? Yes, Nisha. ठीक है, no one. Who is this? Khan, Afan, आपको कोई problem है? No, just you raise your hand. You are not unmuting. ठीक है. So this is one of the question. Can be asked for 3 marks or can be asked for 4 marks. So what is this? Again, look here. 90, 70. Same numbers are there. Only.
मिस
हाँ बोलो.
मिस आपने जो समझाया था वो एक बार फिर से समझाइए ना.
ठीक है, ये उसी टाइप का एग्जाम्पल है. ओके, अगर इसमें नहीं समझ में आया तो वी विल टेक दैट वन अगेन. ठीक है.
Okay.
So again here the numbers are same 90, 70, 90 and 70. But the thing is that the variables are exchanging. Again in this type of question, now here we have to find the value for x and y. So what we have to do, the same numbers are there. Firstly add the two equation, secondly subtract the two equations. So firstly I am giving the names. This is your equation number 1. Then equation number 2. Firstly, I am adding this. If the numbers are same, but the variables are exchanged. So firstly, I am adding this two. So 90x plus 70y is equals to 15 plus added to the second equation 70x plus 90y is equals to 5. So what we get? 90 plus 70, 160x plus 160y, which is equals to 15 plus 5, that is equals to 20. Right here, 160 is the common. What we can divide it by 20. So this is 8x plus 8y is equals to 1. Right here. So this is your one of the equation. 8x plus 8y is equals to 1 here. Do this as equation number 3. One is done. Now next we are going to subtract the two. So here just subtract equation 1 and 2. So same equation 90x plus 70y, which is equals to 15 minus 70x plus 90y is equals to 5. Now you know this very well. If we are subtracting, the denominator signs will change here. So since it is plus, it all get subtracted. So 90 minus 70, 20x, again 70 minus 90 minus 20y, 15 minus 5, it is 10. Divided by 10, so what I am getting here? 2x minus 2y is equals to 1. So this is my next equation, that is equation number 4 here. Now look here. We have got two simplified equations now. Now solve these two equations to get the value of x and y. So जो पहले का equation था, in the first equation, here the numbers were very small. That is 90 and 70 were very small number. So you have got your answer very easy. But now here, since the numbers were bigger, we have got some different examples. Means again here we have to multiply. So how to solve this one? This two simultaneous equation. Can anyone answer this one? What we are going to do here? Yes, we have to solve this two one. क्या करना होगा यहाँ पे? Yes, anyone? Equation 3 and 4 we have to solve here. Yes, here.
मैम
बोलो.
पहले हम सबसे पहले फोर्थ इक्वेशन को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे.
फोर्थ इक्वेशन को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे.
हाँ तो 8y हो जाएगा ना.
डिवाइड नहीं करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तब
हाँ
4
वही
into
मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और फिर उसको सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे.
सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे. अगर सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो हमें किसकी वैल्यू मिलेगी? x की मिलेंगी या y की मिलेगी?
x की मिलेगी.
x की वैल्यू मिलेगी. सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे. Okay. So you can either subtract also or add also. आपको either x, you will get either the value of x or either the value of y. So here, firstly, what we are doing? So दिखना है. Equation 4 multiplied by 2. Why? Because यहाँ पे लिखिए, यहाँ पे 8x है, 8y है. Here we have 2x or 2y. Suppose we have to make the variable of x same. Make the variable of x same, sorry, coefficient of x same. Here I have to multiply it by 4, so that 2 into 4 will get here 8x, right? So 8x same हो जाएगा. Same for y भी मिल जाएगा 8y. 8y we can cancel any one of this. Suppose I am adding here, okay? I am not subtracting. ठीक है, subtract करेंगे minus इक्वेशन 1. So equation 4 into 2. 4 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई, सॉरी इक्वेशन 4 into 2 into equation 4 into 4. So 4 2 जा 8. So 8x minus again 4 2 जा 8. So 8y which is equals to 4 1 जा 4. So this is equals to 4. हो गया? पहला क्लियर होगा. इक्वेशन 4 को हमने 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. So we got 8x minus 8y is equals to 4. Next what we are saying? Minus equation number 1. Sorry, not equation 1. Minus equation number 3. This 2 we are solving. This 2. Minus equation 3. So minus. Write down the equation 8x plus 8y. माइनस माइनस देखिए स्टूडेंट सब्ट्रैक्ट किया बट यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी माइनस और प्लस. अगर हमने यहाँ इफ वी एडेड दिस टू दिस 8y विल डायरेक्टली गॉट कैंसल. हमें साइन का चेंज नहीं रहता है यहाँ पे. ठीक है, वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टेड हियर. तो प्लस 8x माइनस 8x गॉट कैंसल. माइनस 8 दिस प्लस हैज चेंज टू माइनस 1. So minus 16y. This is equals to 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Is equals to minus 3 divided by 16. Clear students? So in this way we have got the value of y. यहाँ पे I am repeating one more time. We have to solve these two equations to get the values of x and y. So what we have done here, if you look at equation number 4, if I have to cancel x here, so I have to make the variable of coefficient of x same here. Here the coefficient of x was 8. So I required here also the coefficient of to be 8 only. So to make the coefficient of x 8, we multiply this by 4. Why? Because 2 4s are 8 here. So we multiplied equation 4 by 4. So after multiplying, we got 8x minus 2 into 4 minus 8y is equals to 1 into 4, that is equals to 4. So this was our equation number 4 converted to this one. And what we are doing? We have to cancel x here. Since both the signs of this x are positive, we have to subtract these two equations. So we are subtracted minus equation number 3. So this was our equation 3. Now since we are subtracted, the signs of the second equation changes here. It was plus, so it minus plus. So this become minus. This was plus, so this becomes minus. So plus 8x minus 8x got cancelled. Minus 8y. Now this is minus 8y. So minus 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 16y and 4 minus 1, which is equals to 3. So we got y is equals to minus 3 divided by 16. Yes. Who's this? Sapna. क्या problem है बेटा आपका? You are raise your hand. Yes, Sapna, do you having any problem? ठीक है, कोई problem नहीं लगता. ठीक है. Hope so you have understood this value. And what is the next method? Next step, put or substitute value of y in any one of the equation. Put y is equals to minus 3 by 16 in equation number. You can either put in equation 3, 4, or even you can put in equation 1 or 2 also. Okay. Again, 2 students have raised the hand. Who are that? Yes, Sapna, कोई problem है बेटा आपको? या raise your hand. हाँ बोलो. Not not able to hear you बेटा. Yes, Faisal Khan, आपको कोई problem है? Yes, Faisal Khan, you are also raise your hand. ठीक है. Yes, Nisha, you are having any problem?
This breaking.
हाँ बोलो. ठीक है, no problem. ठीक है. So put the value of x is equals to minus 3 by 16 in any one of the equation here. Suppose we are putting this in equation number 4 here. Okay, equation 4 mein put kar rahi hu. We are putting 3 also. So therefore 2x minus 2 into y. Value of y is minus 3 by 16 and this is equals to 1. So this implies 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16. So what we get here? 2x minus minus plus. So plus 3 by 8 is equals to 1. So 2x is equals to 1 minus 3 by 8. And just simplify this one. ठीक है, ये एग्जांपल हमने हमारे से लिया था. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस केम देयर, बट एग्जाम में ऐसे ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते. द मोस्ट सिंपलेस्ट नंबर्स विल बी गिवन टू यू. सो दिस इज 2x is equals to, but still you must be able to solve this time. 1 minus 3 by 8, simply cross multiply. 8 minus 8 ones are 8 minus 3 divided by 8. What we are done? हमने cross multiply किया, right here. This is 1 minus 3 by 8, that is 1 upon 1 minus 3 by 8. So 8 ones are 8, minus 1 3s are 3 and divided by in दोनों का multiplication. That is 1 into 8. So this is equals to 8 minus 3, that is 5 by 8. So x is equals to, now this 2 get divided, that is equals to 5 by 16. How? 2 8 are 16. Here this one. So this is the value of your y and the value of x. And in the finally you are going to write, therefore the values of the solution are x is equals to 5 by 16 and y is equals to minus 3 by 16. आज समझ में अगर इस तरह के क्वेश्चन आया, numbers are the same, variables are exchanged, then simply firstly add the two equation, subtract the two equation, two simplified equations you will get. फिर से आपको ये करने की जरूरत नहीं है जो हमने यहाँ पे किया ना, because this will be the most simplified. Two simplified equations you will get here and then solve them with your regular method to get the values of x and y. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में किसी को कोई डाउट है? Any doubt here? Anyone? ठीक है, हाँ बोलो सपना.
नहीं सर, आपने वहाँ से वैल्यू पुट आउट किया ना, वहाँ से नहीं समझा मुझे.
कौन सा वैल्यू पुट आउट किया?
आपने ये दोनों सॉल्व किए ना, पहले सब्ट्रैक्ट किए, उसके बाद वैल्यू पुट आउट किए. हाँ,
इक्वेशन 3 4 के बाद यहाँ से नहीं समझा क्या?
नहीं वहाँ से, हाँ वहाँ से नहीं समझा.
ओके एंड यस लक्ष्मी, आपको क्या डाउट है?
मिस ये क्वेश्चन कितने मार्क्स के लिए पूछते हैं?
This can be asked for 3 or 4 marks. और अभी जो हमने क्वेश्चन देखा सेम टाइप का था, लेकिन आपको सिर्फ यहाँ तक ही सॉल्व करना था, ओनली अप टू दिस वन. सिर्फ x plus y you have to find out. तो वहाँ पे वो क्वेश्चन सिर्फ 1 मार्क्स के लिए पूछा था, ठीक है. सो दिस आर द डिफरेंट थिंग्स, सेम टाइप्स रहते हैं, सिर्फ कितना सॉल्व करना है इट डिपेंड्स, उसमें वो नंबर्स डिपेंड है, ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज हियर? We have got the value of y is equals to minus 3 by 16. Now we got the y, but we required x also. So what we do with our regular method? Substitute this value in either equation number 3 or in equation. यहाँ पे भी कर सकते हैं, but don't go there. Just keep it either in 3, either in 4. So what we have done here? I have substituted in equation number 4. So my equation 4 was 2x minus 2y is equals to 1. So in this, instead of y, we have substituted there minus 3 by 16. There are 2x minus 2 instead of y minus 3 by 16 is equals to 1 here as it is. Simply इसको solve किया. 16 was in the denominator, 2 was in the numerator, and both are multiplied. So 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So this 2x as it is. So this is minus 3 by 8, but ये minus था, so minus into minus plus हो गया. So we got here 3 by 8 and is equals to 1 as it is. Now simplify this one. Since we require the value of 2x, we keep our 2x as it is. And whatever was extra, we transfer it to the next side. So this is equals to 1. This is plus 3 by 8. So when it goes to this side, it is minus 3 by 8 here. So we got 2x is equals to 1 minus 3 by 8. So अब ये 1 minus 3 by 8. I'm writing here. कितना है? It's 1 minus 3 by 8. Now we have to simplify this. So the simple method, just cross multiply this one. Here there is no number in the denominator, means in the denominator there is 1. So 8 into 1, 8, minus 1 into 3 is 3, and dividing the multiplication of this 1 multiplied by 8 equals to 8. So 8 minus 3, 5 upon 8 as it is, and this was 2. 2x is equals to 5 by 8. So to get the value of x, what I done here? This x as it is, 2 was multiplied, so it goes to the denominator. This is 5 divided by 2 into 8. So we got this is equals to 5 upon 16. Now clear? Yes, Sapna? Clear? Okay, hope so आप सबको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. Now let's see the next question. Which type of questions can be asked now? Okay, now here the question is from the determinant. Sorry, not determinant. Question is from the discriminant. The value of b square. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. If values of a, b, c are given to us. A is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 11, and c. The values of a, b, c are given to us. We have to find the value of b square minus 4. Now again, most easy, b square minus ac, formula is given. Simply substitute the values and solve this one. Again, the question can be, find the value of, instead of b square minus 4ac, there can be written, find the value of the discriminant, right? B square minus 4ac, they can ask, find the value of discriminant or find the value of delta. सिर्फ delta भी पूछ सकते हैं और find the value of d. This can be also asked. So you must be able to know that the delta and d and the discriminant, both the three of this is nothing but b square minus 4ac. This is equals to b square minus 4ac. This is also equal to b square minus 4ac. Both are the same. ठीक है? तो आपको यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट के दिया है, so कुछ सोचना नहीं है यहाँ पे. Simply substitute the values. B square minus 4ac is equals to value of b minus 11 square minus 4, value of a 2, value of c 15. Simply solve this one. 11 square 121, 4 to the 8, 8 into 15. Simply solve this calculation. ठीक है, कुछ भी नहीं करना है यहाँ पे. So you can do this very well. Now one more question. If a and T6 is given to you, then find the sum of first 6 terms of an arithmetic progression. So this was easy, so you can do it. So I will not solve this one. Okay. Up next question is, if a is equals to is given to us, that is equals to 3. T6 is given to us, which is equals to 27. And the question is, find the sum of first 6 terms. So here, question samajhna is the most important thing. Find sum of first 6 terms. Some may say that T6 is given to us. So whether we have to use the formula for Tn or Sm is asked. So whether we have to use the formula for sum, Sm. So this is the question in some of the students. So look here. Firstly, क्या दिया है? A and T6. What we have to find? Given find sum, right? Find sum bola hai. That means definitely we require the formula for Sm. Sum is Sm. So we require the formula for Sm. One is done. So firstly, find sum bola jo diya hai na wo likh लीजिए. Firstly, what is given? Given A is equals to 3 and T6 is equal to 27. What I have to find? To find sum. किसकी sum बोलिए? Sum of first 6 terms. Is what I require. S6 first 6 terms बोला है, so I have to find S6 here. Okay, so this is clear. Once this is done, the rest is easy thing. इसलिए always write the given and to find things first. So this is done. Then since we have to find sum, so I am writing the formula for Sn. The formula for Sn is I have written this formula. Now look here. Whether I am having all the values from here, Sn S6 find out करना है, means I am having the value of n also. Value of E is already given to us here. N is S, but what about D? Whether we are having D here? No, students. We don't having D here. In the first thing, if we are using this formula, we must know the value of D here. So from this T6, using the formula for Tn, find the value of D, the lengthy method. Or we are having one more formula for Sn. So what is that formula? The next formula for Sn. What is that formula? N by 2. N by 2 T A plus Tn, right now? Okay. It is n by 2 a plus t only. So it is n by 2 a plus t. So this is the next formula. Now again, look from the given n we are having, since S6 we have to find, a is given to us Tn, means the last term. Since we have to find S6, we will require here T6. T6 is also given to us, so we don't have to use this formula. So here we are having two formulas, so we must know which formula we have to use here. So simply I'm using this formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus Tn. So there Sn, what we have to find? S6. So value of n is 6, a is given 3 plus here Tn की जगह आपको T6 चाहिए. 2 1s are 2 3s are, so 3 again 3 plus value of T6 is 27, so which is equals to 3 into 27 plus 3 30, so that is equals to 90. So we got sum of first 6 terms of this arithmetic progression, that is S6 is equals to 90. Okay, clear students? So this is very easy one. A and T6 was given, S6 we have to find, so we have used the formula for Sn, this one, n by 2 a plus Tn. Since we are having all the 3 values here, simply substitute and we will get our answer. ठीक है, किसी को कोई डाउट यहाँ तक? Yes. Okay. Quickly one example we'll take. Write the sample space S and the number of sample space when n of S when a die is used. Very easy question.
So ma'am, we'll stop here.
Ah, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Just 1 minute, ma'am. Simplest to
Yes.
Die is rolled. तो सिर्फ sample space और n of S लिखना है. Means just 1 2 3 4 5 6 and n of S is equals to this. So these are the few important questions which can be asked. So we are ending here. Okay, ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Lakshmi is raising her hand. Lakshmi.
मिस आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 भी लेंगे?
अगर हमारे हुए फिर से तो we will take that. Okay, lectures हुए अगर मेरे तो we will take.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, students.